Hello, dear farmers. Many times the question arises in our minds how the satellite can provide information about farming even from so far away. How can satellites see what is on the ground? Let me give an example for this. This is our health. If we have a broken bone or are likely to break a bone, we go to the doctor. The doctor advised to do X-ray. This X-ray shows if the bone is broken. Bones are clearly visible through this X-ray, but our skin is not. The science behind it is different wavelengths. The wavelength we see and hear cannot affect anything else. CT scan or ultrasonography used in health technology uses different types of waves. The image you see here is written about the entire electromagnetic spectrum, which is how many types of waves are used. In agriculture, such waves are recorded by electrical instruments, and these waves can tell about the health of the crop by looking at how much nutrients are in the soil or not. A lot of information is available about how much water is on land or in a pond. Through this scientific method, we manipulate the waves and calculate them to give us information. So, we use this automated system to inform the farmers through satellite remote sensing so that you don't need to go to the field to collect soil samples and test them. Thank you.
Scan the QR code on your screen or click on the link in the description to install the app on your phone for help with farming.